As you can all see, the Citizens Coalition for Change had organized a rally for Mashonaland East, which was going to be held here at Rudhaka Stadium in Marondera. As you all know, our lawyers complied with every single requirement of the Maintenance of Peace Act. We've acted lawfully, we've acted constitutionally. We even went so far as to go to the High Court yesterday. Unfortunately, the judge did not make a determination in the matter. All we were told to do was to pursue our local remedies. As a result, we've tried to negotiate with the DISPOL, we've tried to negotiate with the police, but they simply won't see us. We've got tens of thousands of supporters who've gathered out here, but clearly the regime does not want the CCC to meet. We've got a human barricade of police officers who are standing outside there. This is a regime that is in panic mode. They do not want CCC to exercise its political rights. Just yesterday, ZANU-PF was conducting a car rally, no notification, no observation of the law. They were blocking traffic. We do not do that. We believe in non-violence. In fact, all of our supporters here say that, we are a disciplined party. If not, we would have run over the police. But we believe in following all the procedures of the law. So we insist that we've got the right to gather, and we insist that our constitutional rights must be allowed. Right now, our lawyers are at the court, the magistrates' court, trying to secure a court order. This regime is worse than Ian Smith. We've got a regime that is repressive, that's dictatorial. The citizens are tired. They're tired of the poverty, the injustice, and the corruption. And yet we are here. We choose courage in the face of repression. We choose to be a voice for the citizens and offer a platform of hope, as President Chamisa has said time and again that the CCC will do. Thank you.